Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. In the last tutorial I have shown you how to convert the data from database into a matrix form. In this tutorial I am going to explain how to find the similarity between two users. Let's suppose how much Elias is similar to Bob and how much Elias is similar to Charlie. So let's start. For that I have created this new file recommend.php and I will create a new function get recommendation, and it will take two argue matrix and person for which you want to calculate the recommendation. So we will go through all the matrix as other person, and we'll get the value as well. So let's suppose we want to calculate the recommendation for allies. So we will find the similarity of allies with each of the users. So uh, we actually won't calculate the similarity between similarity of allies with allies itself. So we will use this condition if dollar other person is not equal to the same, then we will calculate the similarity $sim, and we will write another function similarity distance, and it will take matrix as argument, person and other person. So let's write this similarity distance function similarity distance, and it will take matrix dollar person 1 comma dollar person 2, and we will check whether this person has we need to first go through matrix uh, person is dollar other person, in fact it's key, and value. We will check whether there is any similarity between this person 1 and person 2. For that we will check whether any of the movie exists in the other person or not. So for that we will use this if array key exists and fact it is person 1, yes, I need to push for a wire. So the key exists in the other person. We will define another array and we will call it similar, and assign the value to 1. For what does this line mean is that there is a atom which matches in both of these persons, so there is a similarity. So if there is no atom between these two persons, we will have a similar array with no value. So if there is no value is equal to 0, means there is no similarity. We will return 0. Otherwise we will close this one. We will close this one and write the same thing. If there is a similarity, then we will calculate the Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance is this one. We will calculate the summation of difference between the rating of the similar users and the users we have. So let's see how we can do this. If array key exists, we will the sum is equal to $sum is equal to $sum plus we will use the power function and the value minus dollar matrix $person2 and the value given by this person, and the second one thing is the power, and then we will normalize the value 1 upon 1 plus root. We will calculate the root of this function. For that we will use the PHP root function and give this as argument. So everything looks good. Yes, there is no need for this one, and we will print the similarity. I will include the file recommend.php and we'll find the recommendation. We'll call this function get recommendation and pass dollar matrix and Elias. We want to calculate the similarity of Elias. We comment that out. So let's see. And there is error on line 40. We need to check. There is a mistake. This one is fine. This one looks good. Need to push for a while. Actually, I figured out the issue. Issue here is that I need to define the variable sum here, and there is no function root. Actually, it's square root. There was a mistake. I need to close this one as well, and there is no need for this one. Let's improve. So let's execute. As you can see, we have the similarity of Elise with these four users. Elise has a similarity of 0.18, and with Bob, and similarity of 0.25 with Charlie, and with 0.5 with other two users. So we have the similarity for user Bob. Similarly, we can calculate the similarity for other users. In the next tutorial, I am going to show how to generate prediction for this user. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.